Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a milkshake easily. Making a delicious milkshake at home is surprisingly simple and quick. You only need a few basic ingredients to get started, primarily ice cream and milk. The key to a great milkshake lies in the quality of your ingredients, so choose your favorites. We'll cover the simple steps to blend these into a perfect treat in just a few minutes. Now, let's get to the blending. Start by adding about 2 to 3 generous scoops of your chosen ice cream into your blender. Next, pour in approximately 1/2 cup of milk. This ratio usually creates a perfectly thick and creamy milkshake. If you're adding flavorings like chocolate syrup, a few tablespoons will do, or a handful of fresh fruit, add them now before blending. Once your ingredients are in the blender, it's time to blend them to perfection. Start blending on a medium to high setting for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth. If your milkshake is too thick, add milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your desired consistency. For an even thicker shake, simply add an extra half scoop of ice cream and blend again. Your delicious, homemade milkshake is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into a tall glass right away to savor its creamy texture. For an extra special touch, you can garnish it with a swirl of whipped cream, some colorful sprinkles, or a classic maraschino cherry. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try different ice cream flavors and mix-ins to discover your new favorite milkshake combination. Enjoy your easy, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.